boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar Gryffin with Dreams. You gotta have dreams, so let's take a look at this song. Very easy, guys. We have 4 chords that goes in the same order with 1 strumming pattern. That's it. Let's start in the right way. The capo set here on the 1st fret, so let's go over the chords. We have the G major here chord, so that will be 3rd on E, and then the next string I mute with my finger here. I'm using on 3rd E, so just lean on top of it so it gets muted like that, and then open D, open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. The next chord will be D, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then we go to A. That is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then the final chord will be B minor. So you have a bar chord here, a bar placed on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings, all strings except the last E here. And then the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Alright, so that is the chord progression G, D, A, and B minor. Let's take a look at the strumming pattern. So it will be down, down, clap, down. So that is 1 round. So down, down, clap, down. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord. So G, basically the song here, so you speed up a little bit and it sounds like this. Got some feeling there. A little freestyle. Anyway, that is Gryffin Dreams. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and play tuned.